friends, on this video on a mobile phone, how you can set dual apps or app twin on a mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Friends, here you can see you want to set two WhatsApp in one screen. Okay, how you can use WhatsApp in one screen on your one mobile phone, to WhatsApp, to Facebook, or to Instagram. Okay, how you can use dual apps or two apps or clone apps on your phone. At first you have to move on setting. Okay, sorry, this is not setting, here's the setting. Okay, just move on setting, or here you can search the app twin or app clone or dual apps. Okay, but let's check it. You can scroll down, then here you can see this option of the security. Friends, you have to tap on security. When you tap on security, from here you can see, you just keep scrolling, and on the last option you can see app twin option. So if you want to set dual apps, then you just tap on app twin on the down. Okay, here's the app twin options. After that, here you can see I have installed only the Facebook apps, then here it shows only Facebook. Okay, if you install Instagram, then Instagram option will be shown here. Okay, the icon of the Instagram, even the WhatsApp. Okay, or any other app. So friends, if you want to activate this app twin or dual apps or the app clones, from here, if you want to apply them, before you apply, here you can see the notice option. So just try to notice this important notice. Okay, it says app twin lets you log in to an app with two different accounts at the same time. See, you can use with two different accounts in one time at the same time. Okay, not in one time, at the same time you can use two different accounts. So you can use two accounts in one screen. When enabled, twin apps will be displayed on the home screen. This feature is currently not supported on some third-party launchers. Okay, it will not support it in the third-party launchers. So if you want to use, then just apply on this icon. After that, here tap icons added to home screen. So just tap on home screen, and let's check. So here's the Facebook, and here's the Facebook icon. It means Facebook 1 and Facebook 2. It means twins Facebook. Okay, dual apps or app clone. So this is how you can set your Facebook. You can use two Facebook in one screen, even at the same time two accounts. Okay, if you want to use. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.